Hi Recoders, in this video we'll discuss about two things. First, practical of numbers, and second, different types of operators. So let's start. Let's say I want to do the operation between the two numbers. Then what I'm going to do? I just have to write here 2. Suppose there is a number 2 and plus, okay, and 3. So I'm going to run this particular cell. So I'm getting a result of addition of two numbers, that is a 5. Okay, so plus is the addition we are using for addition. So let's do the subtraction. So what is the sign for it? 2 minus 1, it's 1. So minus we are using for subtraction. 3 into 2, that is the 6. So star we are using for multiplication. But here is the twist. What if I'm going to do addition between the integer and float? Then what will happen? Let's say I'm just doing 2 plus 3.0. Okay, so it's the floating point number. But if you see here, it's the same number, right? Just the thing is that I wrote 3 in floating point format. But here we are getting output in integer format, and here we are getting output in floating point format. So it means if we are going to do the addition between the integer and floating point, then we will get result in floating point format. But what if we are going to do operation between the two floating point numbers? Then what will happen? Let's do it. 2.0 plus 3.0. Let's do it. Oh, it's again floating point number. So if we are going to do operation between the two floating point number, that is a plus operation, so we will get result as a floating point number. So this rule is applicable to subtraction as well as for multiplication. So if we are doing the subtraction or multiplication between the two floating point number or integer and floating point number, then we will get result in floating point. But what if we are going to do the division between the two numbers? Then what will happen? So let's do it. Let's say 6. This particular operator is for division, divided by 2. Let's run it. Oh, it's a floating point number. So even if you are doing the division between the two integers, still we are getting the result in floating point. Then what if we are going to do between the one floating point number and another is integer? Again, result it is in floating point number. So it doesn't matter whether you are using division sign between the two integer or floating point, we always get a result is in floating point format. So but here again one twist, that is, what if I'm doing a division between the 6 and 4, and we all are aware that definitely we will get result in floating point format, that is 1.5. okay, so but the thing is that I just want the question part. What is the question part? I just want to give a non-technical kind of thing, definition, that is, I just want something as an integer part of that division. I really don't care about this floating point. Okay, so there is one operator which we are going to use, that is 6, 2 times division sign, and then here is a 4. So we will get the question part of it. But there is, while doing a division, there is a remainder. Okay, so how we will get that remainder? So for remainder, we are going to do 6 percentage sign divided by 4. So if we are going to do this one, we will get the remainder. Okay, so that is a 2. Here 2 is remainder. But what if you want the cube of any number, or you want the square of any number? What will you do? Here is a simple sign, that is, I just want the square of 2. Then 2 times multiplication sign and 2 to the power of 2. Okay, so here is a 4. But what if I want the 2 to the power of 10? So 2 into the power of 2 times multiplication sign and power of 10. I'm just running this one. This is 1024. So let's check this particular thing on calculator. Let's say I'm just doing 2 to the power of 10 is equal to 1024, and here we are getting 1024, correct? So this particular operator we are using for 2 to the power of 10. So this is for the power. So this is all about the numbers and different types of operator, and this is the summary of operators. So I'll see you in next video. Till that time, bye bye.